Hello everyone, welcome back to the Scrap and Stamp YouTube channel. It's Jess here, and today I'm sharing 2 ways to use the new Photoplay Mitten stencil and coordinating die set. We are also going to be using Lawn Fawn's Snowflake background stencil and Tailored Expressions Simple Strips in Reverse Christmas. As always, I'll have all the links in the description box below. Let's get started. For our stenciling, I'm going to take out my waffle flower media mat. I found when using this layering stencil, it was actually easier to die cut each mitten with the coordinating die first and then to ink blend afterwards. I'm one of those who gets inky fingerprints and smudges on my projects, so this helped minimize that between the layers. The first way we're going to use the stencil is by ink blending the outline image using Distress Oxide ink and Spun sugar. Then we're going to go in and add the stitch detailing with Wilted Violet. Now you can totally stop here. The mitts are blended perfectly, they have some nice stitch detailing, but we're going to take it up a notch, adding an embossed snowflake detail. I wanted a subtle effect, and I love how it turned out. If you didn't want to set them aside to dry, alternatively, you can add your heat embossing detail first and then add your ink. For this look, I highly recommend the Hologram Wow embossing powder. When I'm heat embossing, I like to treat the area with my anti-static powder tool and to have a sheet of copy paper handy so that there's no mess. Once all of it is melted, we're good to go. The second way we're going to use the stencil is by adding stitch details to pattern paper. For today's card, I actually found the perfect sheet of pattern paper in the Spellbinders Christmas Tradition 6x6 pack. I started by die cutting the mitten first using the coordinating dies, and then added the stitch details using Catherine Polar's Spruce ink. I found that it was helpful to have washi tape and Hefe memo tape handy. This way I was able to secure the stencil and to mask off any areas I didn't want the ink to go through. Now it's time to work on our background. I wanted the mittens to take center stage, so I went with the light gray ink and Lawn Fawn Snowflake background stencil. I love the look of added dimension, so I went ahead and die cut multiples of the mitten using the coordinating die and adhered them all together. Generally, when I'm layering die cuts, I like to stick to 2 or 3 layers. For our sentiments, I couldn't resist using the Tailored Expressions Simple Strips in Reverse Christmas, and off camera added gold foiling using my mink. To finish off our card fronts, I added baker's twine to connect the mittens, and of course, no card is complete without coordinating sequins. And here are our cards. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time.